So today I'm going to be giving this beautiful natural a silk press. I'm going to start off by giving her a nice shampoo. So this client has lots and lots and lots of hair, and as you may know, and if you are one of these clients, you do know that sometimes when you have a whole lot of hair, you got buildup at the scalp. Even if you don't use a lot of products, you get some nice buildup from production of sebum, excess oils, just sweat at the scalp. So I'm going to start off with a nice scalp detox. I mixed this little concoction up myself. It's just some apple cider vinegar and some purified water, some rosemary oil, some tea tree oil, and a little bit of peppermint oil so we can get some good stimulation to the scalp. And once I put this on, I'm going to go ahead and use my scalp stimulator tool to just stimulate the scalp and get some good blood circulation throughout the scalp. This is going to help to remove product buildup. This is going to help to remove any excess buildup of oils or debris at the scalp from just day-to-day activity. And it's also going to restore the pH balance of the scalp. So I like to do this for all of my clients, really, but especially those clients with lots and lots of hair, or the clients that have been in a protective style for a long time, because those are the times you're going to have quite a bit of buildup at the scalp that you're going to want to remove before shampooing. Once I get done with that part, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to shampoo this client with a clarifying shampoo. I'll be using the clarifying shampoo from the GK line. I like this clarifying shampoo because it preps the hair really, really well for the GK smoothing conditioner. And I like to use that conditioner on this client before I do her silk press. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Just check it out. Watch me work with all this beautiful, beautiful curl. So I am now rinsing out that very last shampoo. So I shampooed this client quite a few times because when I don't see my clients for a little while, I have to make sure that I get this hair all the way prepped for all of the love and joy that I'm going to give it. So I shampooed her 2 or 3 times just to make sure that she was clarified. Like I said, any excess buildup was removed from the scalp. Any product buildup removed off of the hair, just so that we can get her nice and prepped for her deep conditioner. So now that my client is thoroughly rinsed, I'm going to begin to section her while she's in the bowl, because I'm going to start to apply the GK smoothing deep conditioning treatment on her while she's in the bowl. That treatment should be applied while the hair is fairly wet. Don't really want to towel dry right away for this deep conditioner. This deep conditioner asks for it to be applied while the hair is wet. And I love that because it allows for me to be able to evenly distribute this product very nicely, because the hair still has quite a bit of moisture from the water. So the product, it spreads really, really nice when the hair is nice and wet. So that's what I'll be doing here. And I'll be doing that starting from the back of her hair, and in 4 sections. I'll go ahead and be pulling that deep conditioning treatment through and getting it nice and evenly distributed throughout my client's curls. Okay, so I don't know if y'all were able to catch that, but I had to go back into this section and rinse some more of my client because there was still shampoo trapped up there by her scalp, y'all. She got so much hair, I just knew I got it all rinsed out. Well, when I saw it didn't, I had to go back and make sure I got that out of there before I started to apply this conditioner. Like I said, this is going to be me working the GK smoothing deep conditioning treatment through my client's hair. And I'm going to be doing this, working this through all of the sections. So I've got my client out of the bowl, and once I got that deep conditioner nice and evenly distributed, I want to go back through with my detangling brush and get all those curls nice and saturated so that we can get a nice, good, even deep conditioning treatment. So my client is out of the dryer and she has been rinsed, and that towel was soaking up any excess water off of her hair, and pop those curls out of that towel. Look at those curls. I mean, those curls look fabulous. Now, I'm going to be sectioning my client like I do because that's what I do. I'm going to go ahead and get this hair sectioned in 4 good sections that I'll be dividing into subsections as I blow her out, so I can give her a nice smooth blowout before her silk press. The best way to get a really good silk press, flat iron, anything sleek, is to make sure you have a nice, fully stretched blowout that's very smooth already. That way you don't have to work overtime with the flat iron. You don't have to do too many passes or apply too much heat. So you want to make sure you get a nice, good, smooth blowout before you get to doing a silk press or a flat iron. I'm telling you, because it is going to save you lots of time, and it is going to save the curls from a bunch of excess heat that they don't need. So here I am just sectioning and getting these sections nice and ready for the blowout. And can you see those curls? You gotta give those curls some props. That's some healthy hair right there. And I just love the way her curls just bounce, and so many of them. I wish she'd wear it curly, but she wants to wear it straight. And I'm going to make that happen for her today. And you will also see how fabulous it looks straight, because this hair is so healthy. It's going to be bouncy and shiny. Just wait and see. I mean, you're going to love the end product. So check out this section. This is one section blown out, and it is plenty of hair. Look at that. So much hair. Gorgeous. And as I blew her hair out, I did stretch it out first with my hands. I don't typically blow hair out with a brush or in a comb attachment when the hair is wet. I like to stretch it out and get it about 75% dry. Now you can see here it's all blown out, looking fabulous, looking nice and very smooth for a blowout. So once we get ready to silk this hair, it is going to be super easy, and it's not going to take a lot of passes. Okay, it's going to be nice, smooth process. So the back is nice and silky, and I'm in the front, and I want to just give a little highlight of this flat iron that I'm using, y'all. This flat iron that I'm about to use is super awesome. It's a Babyliss flat iron. It's one of the newer ones. One of the sides of the flat iron is really flat so that you can get really up on the root of the hair and get that straight. The plates, tourmaline, giving that hair a nice, beautiful shine. Did you see that? Beautiful. I mean, Babyliss, they have never ceased to amaze me, okay? I love this brand of flat iron. And I mean, you can see right here the results of the Babyliss flat iron. It is just giving all of the shine, all of the silkiness. See that? Look at that, just gorgeous. Look at this hair. Do you see all of the shine? Do you see all of the movement? Look at this. Now, y'all saw those curls when they came out of that towel. Y'all saw all that texture. Now, are you looking at this? Now, this is a silk press. Are you seeing this? Are you looking at this? I just had to move her head so y'all can really get a really, really good look at what this hair is doing. I know I dropped my comb, but that's how excited I was. I was just that excited to get my fingers running through this hair. I mean, you got to appreciate that. The curls are popping. The body is there. Definitely silky. Looking fabulous. Looking healthy. When I tell you healthy hair is the best hair, here is the best example of that.